But hi everyone, this is my team. Uh, to specialize tlier from the company VTI Renovation. We are doing for the customer. Our customer is Russian. He is working for council. The customer now the customer are working go for working. He leave the home for us to do, and we will come back in the afternoon. Perhaps we finish. And in the screen is the middle one is the leader team. He is very professional. This is balcony of customer, the rear balcony. Today we do the yesterday we finished the garage, and today we are working the rear balcony. And after finish this, perhaps tomorrow we will continue the front balcony. And this is Mr. Vương. He is the director of VTA Renovation. And Mr. Wang is team leader. He is specialized in tiling. And Mr. Vương is specialized carpenter. So now I would like to introduce something about the customer. Most of our customers are foreigners from India, Russia, and as well as Australian. This is how I have a good view underground. Now from here we can see the swimming pool, and far away we see a lot of trees. My tiling team is very professional. Each tiler do very careful. He work and correct each detail. This balcony we start around 2 hours before, and perhaps we will finish around 1 hour. Each tile we have a level. We need to be sure the floor is level, and sometimes we need to make floor slow down a little as the customers request. Our customer is located in Hurstville, near Hurstville. They work for council, Hurstville Council. When we are working, sometimes they come back to observe us, and very happy with the product we are working, especially the floor at the garage we finished yesterday. The wife, the owner, is very happy, and after that she asked us to continue with this balcony, the rear balcony, and she intend to she intend to continue with the front balcony, and she told us that she will perhaps need us to replace the timber floor into tile. This customer is also very carefully didn't order us all of everything. They want us to work each part. After each part, if they agree, they are satisfied with the product, they will ask us to continue the next part. And it's also lucky for us because our product is satisfied by them, and the result of that, and the owners ask us, we will continue the next part, balcony, rear balcony, and the next will be front balcony, and perhaps the next part is replay on timber floor into tile. This owner. I made a video to introduce to my customer.
Beautiful. I'll take pictures if you want. Take pictures?
Yes.
Oh, that's good. Cool.
Yeah. My customer
Up and down. To make long. Yeah. Make sure all water go down. Okay, yeah, go down quickly.
The team leader is explaining to the owner a little difficult on the floor. It is not level before, but we will try to make the tile to slow down.
I'm gonna go get my daughter from school. Yeah.